Hey there! I'm so glad you're back on the channel. You guys are the best. Today's video is going to be epic, so get ready for some amazing content. Ever wondered how your heart works? The human heart is a remarkable organ, tirelessly working to keep us alive. It's a muscular pump, about the size of your fist, located in the center of your chest. The heart's primary function is to circulate blood throughout the body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all our cells and removes waste products. This continuous flow of blood is essential for every bodily function. The heart beats rhythmically, pumping blood through a complex network of blood vessels. This rhythmic beating is what we feel as our pulse. Here's a breakdown of its key parts. SVC, superior vena cava. It is a large vein that carries blood from the upper body to the heart. Aorta is the body's largest artery and is responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Pulmonary artery, right and left. These are blood vessels that carry oxygen-poor blood from the right side of your heart to your lungs. Pulmonary veins, right and left. These are blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood from your lungs to your heart. Pulmonary valve. It is one of 4 valves that control blood flow in the heart. Mitral valve is one of 4 valves in the heart that keep blood flowing in the right direction. Atriums left and right. These are the 2 upper chambers in the heart that receive blood from the circulatory system. Tricuspid valve. It is one of 4 valves that control blood flow through the heart. Aortic valve helps keep blood flowing in the correct direction through the heart. IVC, inferior vena cava. It is a large vein that carries deoxygenated blood from the lower body back to the heart's right atrium. Ventricles. The left and right large chambers located toward the bottom of the heart that collect and expel blood towards the peripheral beds within the body and lungs. The heart works tirelessly to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body while removing waste products. It's a truly remarkable organ that keeps us alive and thriving. So taking care of your heart is crucial for overall health. Do you know that sneezing does not stop the heart from beating, but feel free to tell others, bless you anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.